Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about validation forms in ASP.NET. For that, first of all, I am going to create a new web form. Right click on your project name, add new item, and click on web form. Extension should be ASPX. This validation control is also called as server-side validation. Here you can see there are 6 kinds of validators. Compare validator, custom validator, range validator, regular expression validator, required field validator, and then validation summary. All these things are validate controllers. First I am going to discuss about required field validator. It takes an input control. If we left an empty text box while filling in form, it will show the validation message. Now I'm going to create the login form. For that I'm making a table. Now I'm adding a table row. Inside that we have table data. We write our topic login. For span equal to and align equal center. I'm adding another table name and another table data. Here I'm adding a text box. Then I will change the text box name as txt name. Txt password. Now I am adding another table row, which is to display our button. Here full span equal to align equal center. Button text is submit. Now let's see how to add a required field validator. Go to design tab. Click here after the text box, then look for required field validator. Here you can see required field validator, then double click on that. Then let's see the source code. Here you can see required field validator is there. Now click on this, go to properties. Then we can change the error message here. Please enter your name. When you click on this error message, go to properties, then you will see control to validate. Here we have to select which text box we have to apply the validation. We are going to apply validation on txt name text box. Now let's run this one and see the output. Here is the output. If we click on submit button, you will get this error. Let's see how to solve this error. We have to copy this coding part. Go inside this web.config file. And then paste the copied coding part here. Now your validation should work. Now you will see the output. Now let's talk about compare validator. These compare validators allows to make comparison. For example, confirm password. Now I am adding another table row. Inside table data, I am adding confirm password. Then add another text box. Now go to the design bar. I will take a required field validation for password as well. Here is enter the password. Then for the confirm password, I am adding compare validator. Click nearby the text box for the confirm password and then double click on compare validator. Click on compare validator. Change the error message. Then here control to validate txt control password. Then here we can see control to compare. We want to compare confirm password with our password. Then we select txt password. Let's run and see the output. If we click on submit button without entering name and password, let's see what will happen. It will show validation messages. Then I will enter name, password 123. Then I will click on submit button. Here I will enter 456. Then you can see password does not match. Now let's discuss about range validator. It is another validator control which checks to see the control validator is within the validation range. For example, when filling a registration form, they ask for people from age 18 years to 14 years. For that, we use range validator. I am adding one another text box to enter user age. Now see the design. Now click here, search for validation. Then double click on range validator. Now click on Range Validator. I'm changing the error message. Invalid date. Now, here you can see minimum value and maximum value. Maximum value should be 40 and minimum value should be 18 years. Then control to validate. TXT edge. Now let's run and see the output. Here, invalid date. You can see the validation message. The other type of validator is regular expression validator. It is used to validate complex expressions. We use it for validating email address, phone number, etc. Now I am adding another text box. Let's move to the design bar. Click nearby email text box. Then double click on regular expression validator. Enter a valid email. Then control to validate txt email. Then inside properties, you will see validate expression. Then we have to select what we want. We want internet email address. Then click OK. Now let's run this one. Here you can see enter valid email. This is the end of validation control video. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.